Hey y'all, I found these pots at the dollar store, 50% off. So that means I paid 50 cents for 2 pots. I'm gonna put my marigold.
We can grow plants.
Yeah, we are growing plants.
Yeah, I'm growing plants and you're growing plants too.
Right. So they looking a little sad because they running out of space in here. So the plan is to repot it in just a little while. Alright, put them in there. It's a little bit bigger. That's the plan. See you in a minute. So I did have to put some holes in the bottom of the planters. I'm gonna take some of that off. In the bottom of the pots, they did not have holes already. I think they're pretty decent sized holes that I put in. I carried them for a while. But yeah. So now I'm gonna take my marigold out of this home. So that's how it look. Kind of root bound. So we're gonna just gently tug a little bit, just so when we get down there it can activate. So I got my dirt mixture over here, mixed with eggs. It's trash dirt. Eggs and everything. Hey.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, y'all. Huh? I am almost done. So now I got my marigolds repotted up into a bigger pot. I made a big old mess on top of this washing machine, but it's done. I'm gonna flip the camera over so you guys can see.
Mom.
No, that's the turtle drying out box. Alright, so that's it. I'm gonna water it, and we're done with that. That was the pot I had the dirt in, and there's the egg shells and coffee beans right there. That's my little aloe baby back there. Hey. Alright, that's it for this video. I was just showing y'all how I repot my plants, because I got this other one I'm going to do off camera that I took out of the potato box. And that's all I'm going to do potting up wise this morning.
Hey, what are you talking about?
Happy gardening.
Guys.
Say happy gardening.
Happy gardening. It's really fun.